I'm going to cover the steps to install a standard dishwasher, but check the manual for your specific model. I'll put a link at the end to a video showing how to remove an existing dishwasher. For a hardwired dishwasher, make sure the electric is turned off before you start and confirm it's off with an electrical tester. A shock under certain conditions can be deadly. Replace the water supply line if it's around 10 years old and flush the line to clear out any debris before connecting the new dishwasher. Lay out the drain hose so it doesn't get caught on the legs or kinked going through the base cabinet. Some installation instructions have an adjustment chart for the leveling legs. You want the unit about 1/4 inch from the bottom of the countertop. Remove the front kick plate. Using an adjustable wrench, set the height of all 4 leveling legs. Remove the cover to the electrical junction box. Push the fitting from the flexible conduit into the box and lock it in place with a nut. Using a wire connector, connect the black wire from the unit to the hot wire on your flexible conduit, which is usually black. If you're in an area with metal conduit, the hot wire could be any color except white or green. In this case, my hot wire is blue. Connect the white neutral wires together with a wire connector. If you have a green or bare ground wire, connect it to the green grounding screw. If you're in an area with conduit, you may not have a ground wire. The metal conduit is the ground path for safety. Replace the junction box cover. You'll need a fitting for the water supply line. Most dishwashers use a 3/4 hose to 3/8 compression fitting, but some use a 3/8 IPS to 3/8 compression fitting. Check your manual before you buy one. This unit uses a 3/4 inch hose fitting. Make sure the washer is in place, then snug down the fitting firmly by hand. Give it 1/4 or 1/2 a turn with pliers. Point the end toward the back of the unit. Replace the kick plate. Connect the water supply line. Hold the fitting with pliers and tighten the nut with adjustable pliers. Guide the drain hose as you push in the unit. Adjust the body of the dishwasher so it's flush to the cabinet. Use a level to check that the unit is sitting level and adjust the leveling legs if needed. Secure the dishwasher to the bottom of the countertop with the included screws through the mounting straps. For a stone countertop, use a mounting bracket that screws into the base cabinet. You can cut down or break off the ends of the mounting straps if they're too long. Use a strap or clamp to hold the drain hose above the drain trap so water doesn't drain back into the unit. Check your manual for the recommended height. Cut the end of the drain hose to match the hose barb on your drain pipe or the hose barb on a garbage disposal. Use a hose clamp sized to your hose to secure the hose to the hose barb. If you're connecting to a garbage disposal, make sure the plug is removed inside the hose barb. Turn on the water by turning the valve handle counterclockwise. Turn on the electric to the dishwasher. Remove the protective film from the unit. A sharp utility knife might be needed along the edges.